Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello and welcome to Rahman Digital Production. This is Mathematics 4024 of GCE, and we yesterday were going to finish this chapter, but due to certain time compulsions, we couldn't be able to do so. Today we are trying our best to finish it. We were in question number 7 and we did two parts of it. Today we are going to do C part of question number 7. And remember, ladies and gentlemen, we were talking about the factorization. So the question is written for you. 2x is here and 2x is here. So I am taking 2x. So 1 and 7 plus y will remain here, minus 7 and y plus 2 will remain here. So now we have to evaluate 7 plus y minus 7y minus 14. So ladies and gentlemen, we are writing 2x into y minus 7y is minus 6y, and minus 14 plus 7 is minus 7, and that is the ultimate answer. Now we are turning our focus to this one. 3a is in this term and 3a is in this term as well. So we are going to take it common. 3a and then minus and 2 plus b will remain here, plus 6 will remain here, and b minus 1. So now we are going to write 3a, and this will be minus 2 minus b plus 6b minus 6. And then we have to write 3a and minus b and plus 6b will give you 5b minus 2, and minus 6 is giving you minus 8. So this is the final answer of this question. Okay, now we are doing this part number E, and because my 4y is here, so I will take 4y as the common, so minus x minus 2 will remain, and minus 3 into 3 minus x will remain here. 4y, and when we multiply minus x plus 2 minus 9 plus 3x. Now 4y and minus x plus 3x will give you 2x, and plus 2 and minus 9 will give you minus 7, and that is the answer. Okay, now we are turning our focus to question number 8, and it is saying express each of the following as a fraction in its simplest form. So we are taking the LCM as 14. When we are dividing this 14 by 2, it will give us 7, and 7 5s are 35, and P minus Q. Minus will be on its place, and then 2Q minus P, because 14 divided by 14 will give you 1, and when 1 is multiplied with this, it will give you the same result. So 14 divided by 2, 2, and 2 2s are 4, P plus Q. Okay, now I have to open these things. So 35 P minus 35 Q, and then minus 2q plus p, and then minus 4p minus 4q divided by 14. Ladies and gentlemen, now we have to add corresponding elements 35p and p. 45p, the 35p, 36p, and minus 4p. So 36 minus 4 is 32p. And then q minus 35 minus 2, so minus 37, and then minus 4, so minus 41 q divide by 14. So this is the ultimate answer of this part, uh, which is A. Yes, it is correct. Now B part is also we will solve in the same fashion. So I am taking as the LCM, as a 30. So when 30 is divided by this 3, so it will give you 10. So minus 10 into 2a plus b. Minus will come on its place when 30 is divided by 2, 15. 15 3s are 45, and then a minus 3b. And then when we divide this 30, so 6 4s are 24, and a plus 2b. And now we have to open it, minus 10 into 2 20, a minus 10b minus 45a, and when 3 is multiplied with this, so 135b minus 24a minus 48b whole divided by 30. This is whole divided by 30. Now we have to add the corresponding elements. Minus 20a and minus 45a will give you minus 65a, and minus 24, so 65, and 24 9 89, so minus 89a. This is 9 and this is a. Now minus 10b and plus 135, so 125, and 125 minus 48, it will give you 7 and 7. So it means that uh, it will be minus, no, plus 77b, and that will be divided by 30. And that is the answer of part number B. Okay, now let's do part number C. And first of all, I am taking 12 as the LCM. When 12 is divided by 4, 3 3s are 9, and F minus H. Minus will be on its place, so 12 divided by 6, 2, and 2 sevens are 14, H plus K, and then plus, and then 2 6 are, and 6 5s are 30 into K minus F. Ladies and gentlemen, now we have to expand at 9F minus 9H minus 14H minus 14K plus 30K minus 30F whole divided by 12. Now I have to add f with f. Yes, 9 and minus. So minus 21f minus 9h and minus 14. It will give you minus 23h and minus 14k. Minus 14k and 30k. So it will give you 16k whole divided by 12. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, only one part is remaining and I have to erase the whiteboard. So wait for 1 second. Okay, let's do this and I am taking the LCM as 24. So it means that 8 24 fours are 96 and then minus 8 into x minus y minus 18 into y plus 4z plus 15 into x plus 3z. Now I have to open this 96 minus 8x plus 8y minus 18y minus 72z plus 15x uh, plus 45z and whole divide by 24. Ladies and gentlemen, now we are going to add the x variable first. Minus 8x plus 15, so it will give you 7x. And then y 8y and then a minus 18y, so it will give you minus 10y and minus 72z and 45z will give you, if I am subtracting 45 from 72, so it will give you 7 and 2, so it will give you minus 27 z and plus 96, this constant, and then whole divide by 24, and that is the answer. With this we reach to the end of this chapter number 4, unit number 5, and here we are starting. The name of this is linear equations. Linear equations and simple inequalities. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, that in this case there is no equal sign, so this is called expression. When there is an equal sign in an expression, for example, x plus y is equal to 30, then this is equation. But if it contain x plus y is greater than 40, yeah, x minus y is less than 35, then these two are called inequalities. This is called equality because there is equal symbol. When there is a greater symbol, greater than or equal, less than or equal, or not equal symbol, then we are saying that these are inequalities. And linear equation is, we have to define it. uh, in fact, ladies and gentlemen, we are heading towards a very important topic. Now we will utilize our basic concept of algebra, and in algebra I am going first towards the 5a exercise. So let me erase the whiteboard and then write all the questions. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, question number 1 is saying that solve each of the following equation. I told you in one of the previous lecture that when there is a keyword solve, you have to find the value of a variable. So here you have to find the value of x. So when you are finding the value of a variable, you have to keep that variable on the left side and everything else will be shifted towards the right, even if there is a negative symbol with this minus x, so it will also be shifted to that. So learn the technique. If plus 8 is on this side, so when it is going to the next side, it will become minus 8. How? Like this, x plus 8, so we have to subtract 8 from both sides. Remember that whatever you are doing on the left side of equality symbol, you have to do it on the right side as well. So this will be cancelled with this and we will only be left with 7. So this is the answer. X is equal to 7. Now in this case, x plus 9 minus 9 is equal to minus 5 minus 9. This will be cancelled because our main purpose is to leave this x only on the left side, and that will be equal to minus 14. Here directly I am moving this, so x is equal to 17 plus 5, which will be equal to 22. Y is equal to minus 3 plus 7, so y is equal to 4 is the answer. Now in this portion only decimals are there, nothing special. 1.6 minus 0.4, 1.6 minus 0.4, 2 and 1.2 with negative. This means that you have to subtract it from it and it will give you 1.2. This will give you 1.2. Now here it is equal to 3.6 plus 2.4. So 3.6 and 2.4, 0 and 6. So y is equal to 6.0. Now a is equal to minus 6.4 plus 2.7. From the greater value, which is 6.4, you have to subtract the smaller value, which is 2.7. So here we will have 7 and 3 with the symbol of greater value. So this is minus 3. So A is equal to minus 3.7 is the answer in this case. Here, remember, when there is a plus, it will become minus on that side. Remember, when there is a plus, it will become negative on that side. If there is a negative, then it will become positive on that side. Through these questions, you learn this technique. Now, ladies and gentlemen, when there is a multiplication, because 4x mean 4 multiplied by x, many students are doing this mistake that again they are transfer it to this side by writing minus. No, when there is multiplication, you have to divide both sides by 4 to leave only the variable. So this variable will be cancelled and x is equal to minus 7 is the answer. When there is multiplication on this side, it will become division on that side. If there is a division on this side, it will become multiplication on this on the other side. Remember, these are the small techniques you have to understand. Otherwise, your life will be very much cumbersome in this algebra. This minus will be cancelled with this, and x is equal to 144 divided by 24. So when we divide this by 3, so 3 8s are, 3 4s are, 3 6s are. And again this by 2, 4 2s are, 4 1s are, no, 2 2s are, and 2 3s are. So 23 divided by 2 is there. And when is 4. So when we divide it by 4, 23 divide by 4, 4. 20. So the ultimate answer will be 5 whole 3 over 4, because there we will get 3. So 5 whole 3 over 2 is the value. Here I am doing a bit advanced than these one, although these are basic level, is equal to 11 plus 4. This is minus, so on that side it will go and that will become 15. So when it is 15, now on this side there is a multiplication, so you have to divide both sides by 3. 3 will be cancelled and x is equal to 5 is the answer. Learn these small techniques. Here also another question, 9x is equal to 31 minus 4. So 9x is equal to 27, because it is multiplication on the left side. So you have to divide it by 9 on both sides. So this 9 will be cancelled with this one. X is equal to 3 is the answer. Now here is a bit tricky one. You have to minus x, minus 7x is equal to 5 minus 12. So it means that minus 7x is equal to minus 7, and divide both sides by minus 7 and minus 7. I told you that if there is a negative symbol, you have to transfer it to the left side. So this negative will be cancelled and x is equal to 1 is the answer. Minus 7y is equal to minus 18 minus 3. So minus 7y is equal to minus 21. Directly you can cancel this by minus 1, because dividing both sides by minus 1 or multiplying both sides by minus 1 will yield you positive value, and y is equal to 21 divided by 7, which is equal to 3. So y is equal to 3 is the value. 4y is equal to 6.3 plus 1.9. So 4y is equal to 2 and 8.2. It is correct. So y is equal to 8.2 divided by 4. So when you are dividing 8.4 divided by 4, 8.2 divided by 4, so for 2s are 8, and there will be point and 2 0. So for 5s are 20, and the answer in this case will be 2.5. Now we are doing this question. So minus 3y is equal to minus 9.6 plus 7.8. So that will be minus 3y is equal to minus 9.8. So from 9.8 we have to subtract 7.8, and that will be 2.0 with negative symbol. So 2.0 y is equal to this minus will be cancelled with this. So 2 divided by 3. It is not divisible. If you are dividing it, so you can divide it and then get the answer. First of all, I am simplifying. 4 2s are 8. 11 divided by 4 is equal to 1 over 2. Now I am shifting this 11 divided by 4 to the other side. So now we are taking 4 is the LCM. So 2 plus 11, which is equal to 13 divided by 4. And when we divide 13 by 4, so it will be equal to 3 whole 1 over 4. The final question for today: 2 ones are 2 and 3 divided by 2 minus 2y is equal to 1 over 4. So minus 2y is equal to 1 over 4 minus 3 over 2. When this positive is shifted to the other side, it will become negative. Minus 2y is equal to 4 is the LCM, so 1 minus 6. And then minus 2y is equal to minus 4 minus 5 divided by 4. Ladies and gentlemen, this negative symbol will be cancelled with this one, and this is multiplication, so on the other side it will become 5 divided by 4 multiplied by 1 over 2. This 2 will become 1 over 2 on the other side. So y is equal to 5 over 8 is the ultimate answer. Hopefully you have learned something from today's lecture. If it is like this, then please subscribe my channel and share it with your other classmates so they will also take advantage of it. Thank you very much for watching. Allah Hafiz.